Hi, welcome back to Butterfly Cottage. Today we've got the wood burning stove on as it's such a glorious autumn day. I've got some sour bread rising, so while that's doing, why not take the perfect opportunity and make some digestive biscuits. Classic English treat. You're going to need 100 grams of fine oats, 100 grams of wholemeal flour, 50 grams of unrefined sugar, 75 grams of grated butter, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg beaten. Let's get down to business. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients together and then we're going to rub the butter in. So in goes the oat, in goes the flour, the sugar, the salt and the bicarb. Going to mix that together. And then we're going to add the grated butter. Luckily it's nice and warm in the kitchen and it's gone soft. Good rub, mix it all in until you get breadcrumb texture. Okay, so here we are, ready. Now we can add our egg, just a little at a time, and we want that just to combine, to hold it together. Nice fresh egg from our hens this morning. Once you've got it combined into your dough, you're going to need some oatmeal on your work surface. You're going to put it on and we're going to grab your rolling pin and roll it out. Okay, you're going to need your baking tray, lined, ready to go, and your cutter. You can use a small, big, you can use a jam jar, glass. If you don't have a cutter, no problem. Round, square, whatever shape you want. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to use a fish slice because they can be a bit delicate. Okay, lovely. Okay, now we're going to put them in the oven. For a fan oven it's 170 degrees and for a non-fan oven it's 190 degrees, and we're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Join us then. Okay, so I've just got these out of the oven and left them for a few minutes to cool, and then I'm going to put them onto the cooling tray. Get the kettle on, and once those have cooled, Get yourself a nice cuppa and enjoy a biscuit. See you next time on Butterfly Cottage. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.